Hey guys, Hobbybox604 back doing another 20 break. This is group break number 215, which is a box of 1112 Panini Crown. We did a break already, and this is our second one. As always, we got the names and the teams on the list as you see. Habs fan Jesse, Habs fan Ricky, White Balance, Habs fan Sean, Domi, Habs fan Larry, Domi, Habs fan Dev Sturdy, Wood Boot, Go Hawks, Habs fan Domi, Showboat, Domi, Habs fan Wood Boot, Larry 73, Habs fan Domi, and Jason. 3 times. Good luck. Once, twice, and 3 times. Habs fan on top and bottom. Gotta paste it here. Now with the teams, 3 times as well. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Sabres on top, Islanders on the bottom. Okay, here we go. Habs fan got the Sabres. White Balance has Montreal. Domi has Anaheim and San Jose. Ricky has Colorado. Habs fan has Carolina. Domi has Vancouver and New Jersey. Jesse has Washington. Woodboot has Calgary. Habs fan has Tampa. Woodboot has Phoenix. Domi has Chicago. Larry has Boston. Ricky has Florida. Jason has Detroit. Shovel has Pittsburgh. Habs fan has Minnesota and the Rangers. Sean has Toronto and Winnipeg. Larry has St. Louis. Habs fan has LA. Domi has Ottawa. Habs fan has Columbus. Domi has Philly. Habs fan has Edmonton. Go Hawks has Dallas. Dev Sturdy has Nashville. And Habs fan has the Islanders. So those are your teams there, guys. And we are doing the box break right now. Okay. Good luck, everyone. There is the box. Crown Royale. Box number is 112. Good luck. What's up, Showboat? Hey, JP, there's Showboat. Ask him why it's doing that. What's up, Benny? 4 packs. Empty box. Let's see. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Pack 1. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, all the Kings men, Jeff Carter. And for Carolina, Ruby of Cam Ward. 11-12. Yeah. But you got Landeskog in here. That's his rookie year. Base. Oh. Base. Oh, nice hit. For the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist autograph. Nice hit. Number 70 of 99 for the Rangers. Nice hit, Rangers. Very nice. And for the Montreal Canadiens, Lord of the NHL, PK Subban. Pack 3. For the Edmonton Oilers, a rookie, Anton Lander. And for the Montreal Canadiens, rookie card of Brendan Nash. Last pack of this one. For the Boston Bruins, in harm's way of Tim Thomas. And, oh my God, that's a sick patch. That's a sick patch. Look at that. For the Winnipeg Jets, Alexander Burmistrov, coat of arms. Coat of arms. Wow. Number 13 of 25. That's a sick one. Look at those. Look at those colors there. Beautiful patch. Winnipeg Jets, nice hit. And for the Vancouver Canucks, Mark Messier. There you go. That was a good box of Crown, guys. That was a nice box of Crown. So there you go. Group break 215 is done. We'll be back with more box breaks shortly.